Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to sync tracks in GarageBand. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official GarageBand application right here on your mobile phone if you do not already. If you do not have the application, just go ahead to the App Store and download it, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page where you can find all the instruments you can play, you have your audio recorder, and so on. So let's go and see how we can get started with syncing our tracks. So the first thing I'm going to do is open up the audio recorder option right here by tapping on it. That's going to open up this new recording menu where at the top of the screen you can see we have the big red circle. That's going to enable us to start recording, and once we are finished with our tracks and recordings and we want to sync them, we want to go right here into the upper left corner and click on this button in the middle. This is going to open up this edit mode where you can see we are now greeted by the mixing options where we can see all the tracks we have. I have my drums, keyboard, audio recording, and so on. So basically guys, all you need to do to be able to sync your tracks is to first go right here into the upper right corner and click on the settings icon. This is going to open up the settings option right here, and you want to make sure your tempo is set to whatever you want to use so that your tracks can be synced, and the time signature as well. And once you have set all of your sound options, now you can tap on the tracks right here and you can sync them however you want. So you can put them one above another and you can get started with syncing them however you want to get your desired effect by placing them one under another to start at the same time and syncing them. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. See you guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.